Are you looking for how to fix art app not opening problem or picsart failed to start several times? Restore it by clearing its history problem. In this video, I show how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for picsart, update picsart if available any update. After completing update, then go to settings, click on settings, then go to apps or application management or apps and notification. Now search for picsart, click on picsart, click on storage, click on clear data, delete, click on force stop. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open picsart app. Now I hope that this method fix picsart app not opening problem. Thanks for watching.